So we've got some cosmos still going, looking really, really good still. This lovely, beautiful purple one. Some have gone over now, but some are still looking fabulous. There's loads of buds to come out. We've got one over here as well, nice upright one. Still going strong. I think we've got some verbena there that's having like a little second flourish. Oh, we've got some pears. Oh look, I found a pear. There's a pear. Huge. Oh wow. Oh yeah, let's pick them. Look at that pear. There's two of them, pair of pears. One and two. Oh, sorry, Mr. Snail. Gorgeous. George just found some more strawberries. Little alpine ones.
Yummy!
Yummy! So as you can see and as you can hear, we are having some stumps ground out in the front garden so that we can now think about putting our fence in and we can plant some bulbs so we have some beautiful flowers ready for the spring. So the stumps have been ground down now, and before it gets too wet, I want to try and save some of the bark chippings to use as mulch in the garden. So I'm going to bag them up and store them somewhere to use at a later date. So we've just come to the garden centre on a very windy day. We are hoping to get some of the bulbs that we need to plant ready for spring. We're not ready to plant them yet, but I thought I would get them before the shops stop selling them. So what have we got here? I definitely want some alliums. They will look lovely in the front garden. And we need tulips and daffodils. The first signs of spring, we're going to need them. So many different types. Oh, I've never seen this type of tulip before. I like that one. And there's some crocuses as well, which might get... Oh, ranunculus. I've never had ranunculus before. And I've always wanted some, so I think I might get some of them. Oh, and some irises. My grandma was called Iris, so I think we need some irises in the front garden too. Got these gorgeous flowers. I think they might be zinnias. I'm not sure, but we planted them all along here, just in front of our beds here, hoping to have a bit of a splash of colour. Some of them got eaten straight away by slugs, but some survived, and they've got this glorious pink colour with sort of white tips in the middle. So there are a few that have done really, really well. So the children are very happy because the squash has taken over. I know, beautiful. I know, aren't they gorgeous? So because the squash has taken over and gone across the paths, they can't ride their bikes around the loop. They used to go around here on their bikes and do a big loop. But the squash is stopping them. They're not very happy that one's got stuck down here. They're impressed to make it that far. Probably by running over the squash. So this one's done really, really well, although George has just knocked 2 heads off. So we're going to have... No, don't pick it. So I think we better pick those and put them in the house, hadn't we? Because they're not going to survive out here now. Right, leave them. I know that one's dead, darling. Let's take this one. Maybe we'll make a little posy, shall we? Isn't that glorious? How beautiful. No picking. Maybe we'll pick some cosmos and we'll make a little posy. And there we have just a very quick posy that I've made. I've included some cosmos, and the foliage is choicia, or choicia, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, which is this one, which I know lasts a long time in a bouquet. So that's good. And it has this lovely sort of orangey, citrusy smell to it. So good, that will go on our dining room table. So this is what happens when you have a child and you're trying to garden. He's just picked that squash and trying to eat it. George, you can't eat it because it's not ready. You picked it too soon. Not to worry. I think we've got quite a few squashes growing anyway. Squash. Another one down. Squash, good boy. Bee. Is it orange? Should we put it in the compost heap? We've got our compost heap. This one's sort of mulching and doing its thing. Want to put it in there? Put it in the compost heap then to compost. It's no good now. Good boy. There we go. We'll sort that out later. Is it a squash or a pumpkin?
It's a squash, but we're going to make it into a pumpkin.
We're going to pretend it. Yeah, we're going to pretend it's a pumpkin.
Yeah.
So let's have a
we
look.
don't want one.
Well, we don't have another pumpkin.
No. We don't have a real.
Oh, George, you've got to show the people what you're doing. George wants to cut it. George thinks he's cutting it. Good cutting, George. That's it.
I'll see you in a second. Bye.
So let's see how we're doing. Oh, it's a little bit wet underneath. Now, we didn't grow pumpkins this year, so we've got this squash, which we're going to pretend is a pumpkin. And we don't really celebrate Halloween, but I thought it'd be nice for the children to maybe draw a face, and we can cut it out, and we can put some lights in, can't we?
But
Yeah? What are we going to do with this, Emily?
we're going to draw on it, but first we need to wash it because it's all dirty. And because the wild is quite a little bit dirty, that's why we're going to wash it. And we're going to put it in the bucket and fill some warm water with it, and we're going to draw on it. We're going to draw a scary face.
And then what we'll do, alright. And then what we'll do is we'll scoop out all the inside and we'll make some squash soup.
Yeah.
And then we can put a light inside it, can't we, when we've made the scary face?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe right here if you wanna watch more videos of us, and we will be with you to show us our scary skeleton. Bye.